Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add rule lines in OneNote for Windows 10. This is a fantastic feature that helps you organize your notes more neatly, making your digital notebook look and feel just like a traditional paper one. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you've launched the application, give it a moment to fully load your workspace. You'll want to make sure everything is ready before we begin customizing your pages with rule lines. Once your notebook has been loaded, adding rule lines in OneNote is pretty much straightforward. These rule lines are more of a feature that you can enable or disable anytime, giving you complete flexibility over how your pages look. To enable the rule lines, look at the top part of your screen and click on View. This tab contains various display options that let you customize how your notebook appears. Under the View menu, you'll immediately see the rule line option. Simply click on it to enable, and you'll see notebook-like lines added to your pages instantly. This transforms your blank digital page into something that resembles a traditional lined notebook, which can be incredibly helpful for keeping your handwriting or typed text aligned and organized. Now click on the drop-down arrow next to the rule line option to see more types of rule lines you can use. OneNote offers several variations, including narrow, standard, and wide rule lines, as well as grid patterns. Each style serves different purposes depending on whether you're taking quick notes, drawing diagrams, or writing detailed information. You can also adjust the line colors to better suit your preferences or match your organizational system. Simply hover your cursor over the rule line color option and you'll see a list of available colors appear. Select the one that works best for you. This color customization can help you differentiate between different sections or types of notes, making your notebook even more functional and visually appealing. And there you have it. You've successfully added rule lines to your OneNote pages, giving your digital notebook a more structured and organized appearance. This simple feature can make a significant difference in how you take and manage your notes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.